The equation of normal to a curve x square equal to 4y required, which is drawn from 1, 2. Most of us would be tempted to find the slope of this curve derivative at this point 1, 2 and hence obtain the equation slope of normal at this point 1, 2 and hence write the equation of the normal. But remember, this point given, it is not satisfying the curve. So what is given to us is a point outside the curve is given to us, and we need to get the equation of normal drawn from this external point to this curve x square equal to 4y. So careful, standard procedures doesn't work. Let assume the point P to be 1, 2. Now when we draw a normal from P to the curve, it will have a point of normalcy where the normal cuts the curve. So let that point be Q, which is assumed to be t square by 4, be a point on the given curve x square equal to 4y where the normal is drawn. So we need the equation of PQ now. This is the point where we are drawing the normal, and that normal is passing through the point P1, 2. Now once we have 2 points P and Q, what is slope of this line joining PQ? Yes, it is y2 minus y1 by, that is t square by 4 minus 2 by t minus 1, which can be simplified as t square minus 8 by 4 times t minus 1. So this is the slope of the required normal. Let's consider the given curve x square equal to 4y and differentiate this curve. 2x equal to 4 times dy by dx, or shall we write dy by dx is x by 2. Once we have dy by dx of the curve in general, what is slope of the tangent at q on the curve is the value of x by 2 at the point q, which is t square by 4. Now this is nothing but t by 2. Now slope of the tangent is t by 2. So can you tell me what is slope of normal? Yes, slope of normal would be minus 2 by t. This is our second equation. But if you look at 1 and 2 equations, they both represent the slope of the same line, as PQ itself is a normal. So from both the equations 1 and 2, minus 2 by t should be same as t square minus 8 by 4 times t minus 1, or which can be simplified as t cube equal to 8. So hence we got the value of t. The value of t is 2. Once we know the value of t, can we identify the point q? Therefore the coordinates of the point q, which we assumed to be t square by 4, now happens to be 2 4 by 4, which is 1. Now we know the point q and the point p, which is given to us. Therefore equation of normal, which is the requirement, is same as the equation of the line segment joining P and Q. Then what is equation of the line joining P and Q? Y minus 1 equal to, we know the slope of the normal, minus 2 by t value is 2 times x minus 2, or x plus y equal to 3 is the equation of normal. What is the option it is satisfying? Yes, the option present at A, which says the normal equation is x plus y equal to 3. The most important observation of this problem is this point 1, 2, which is given from where the normal is drawn, is not on the curve. So first we need to identify a point on the curve where the normal is drawn. Such a normal passing through the point 1, 2 is required, right? So careful before you proceed with the problems of this kind.